Welcome back to the Nest Homestead. My name's Dakota.
I'm Angela.
What are we doing today?
Today we're doing citrus creatures.
Citrus creatures? What the hey is a citrus creature? You're gonna have to stick around to find out. But what you're gonna do is get artsy fartsy with us and follow along. So here's a list of things you're gonna need to make citrus creatures. Citrus for one.
Some Exacto knives.
Hot glue gun, if you wanna glue some stuff to it. What kind of stuff would you glue to it?
I don't know, something like eyeballs.
Little googly eyes. And then some extra things of hot glue just in case you need more.
And some string of your choice, whatever color we're going with, this brown.
And then also we have some paint. You're gonna need this thing.
Oh, I just chose that because I feel like we might need it. I don't know for what, but I just feel it in me bones. Yeah, just get it from your dental kit.
Go knock on your dentist's door at 3 in the morning and have them afraid for their life, wondering why you're there. Excuse me, sir, can I just borrow your scalpel? I don't know what we're gonna do. There's a bee in the house, and Bimo's gonna get it. Bimo, don't get the bee. I got you, Bimo. I'll save you. Bimo is about to pounce on it.
Bimo's looking at it like crazy.
No, Bimo, no, it's a bee. Hold on, Bimo, I got you. Is there more? I hear more. There's another one. There's 2 bees. I'm so sorry. Get in there. Get in there. I need a piece of paper. I got it. It's out here. It's trying to sting me. Okay. We've got one of its friends. All right, back to our normal programming.
Let's just go back.
Here, I know what to do. I've been trained in this.
Baba, you almost stabbed your hand.
There it goes. See, I did it good. It's gone. Okay, citrus creature. Let's start making them. No, you're okay. It was just a fly. Oh no, it's a bee. There's bees all around you, my love. That's a fly, don't worry about that one.
I hate flies.
I've got 3 good contenders here. These will be mine.
These will be mine. These are
Okay.
my 3 contenders. Put these inside so we don't attract more bees.
Okay, and while she goes inside, I will keep you company. How we doing out there? Hopefully the adrenaline is gone and y'all can relax now and be in the comfort of your homestead or home. I've been stung by numerous bees, 4 times actually. Now, what if you're that 1 in a million person who is allergic to bees? I'll say a prayer for you. You can get stung and sometimes the skin will bubble up and your throat will close and it'll be hard to breathe. Almost like you're breathing through like one of those coffee straws, like no oxygen getting into the lungs, turning blue, tears coming down your eyes. I don't know if you're gonna make it. Oh, my wife's coming back. Okay, good.
I'm back.
I was just comforting them a little bit.
I'm glad someone needs to. Should we get some wholesome cuties up in this homestead
I thought
going?
you'd never ask. How are we gonna open these?
Be creative however you want to cut them open to get the innards out.
Oh, that looks good. I can't wait till I get the meats. So the goal is, when making a citrus creature, to cut it open, you want to hollow it out like a pumpkin. Maybe this is like pumpkin boot camp. This is training for when you're actually gonna carve a pumpkin. All right, now listen up, Private. The key to carving a good pumpkin is getting all up in there, getting the guts, stripping it out, feeling the beating heart in the palm of your hand, okay? What you're gonna do is cut it open, reach your hand in there, and then grab those innards, eat them. So that way it's nutrients for your unborn children. Once it's hollowed out, you wanna explain what happens next?
Next,
It goods.
I'm-
Oh, sorry, am I interrupting? The bees.
they gonna get you. Biggest thing is we want these citrus creatures to look spooky or goofy. I don't know, whatever your look is.
There's a bee on you. Just be calm.
Baba, don't.
Look at it, it's eating. It's got his little straw tongue out. It's just a little cutie. Pretty little baby. You're such a baby. I'm not gonna pet you.
Don't.
I'm gonna pet
Don't,
you.
Baba, don't.
But it's friendly.
No, it's a drink and a hungies.
No, look at it though.
It's starving.
So think about this. Stray cat comes up to you on the street, you give it some wet food, becomes your best friend, right? Same applies to a bee. You give it a little bit of sugar, a little bit of that glucose. I see you bouncing your little booty. I'm gonna name you Flump.
It's so weird how it bounces its booty while it drinks.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
What was his name? Flurp?
Flop?
I can't
Fuzz?
remember.
Frump?
Frump? Maybe
no,
Frump.
it wasn't Frump. Was it Frump?
I don't remember. Who's Frump? I've never
We
seen no
suffer
Frump.
from short-term memory loss.
All right, this one was much easier to take out than the vertical slice.
That is a cool cut.
Thank you.
Yeah, I like that one. Let me bring some towels.
I remember one time in the 3rd grade, I sneezed so hard, boogers came out my nose. Walked right up to the teacher. She said, "Do you need a Kleenex?" I said, "Who do I look like, an aristocrat? Do I need a Kleenex? I'm gonna use God-given's Kleenex. My sleeve." I was just telling them about memories.
Aw.
Wholesome stuff. Slowly working it. Can you work it? Let me twerk it. Get that citrus on my birthday. It's your frickin' nick of flam yet. Come on. Brains! Brains! Brains!
Oh, I like this.
That's really cute.
I think I'm all citrused out. Wait, no.
I'm not.
No, Micha. Suddenly I wanted to taste a little bit worse.
Oppa! No use crying over spilled citrus. That's what Mom always said. Next steps, the crafty parts.
So here are the options for you guys out there if you're following along. You can either glue stuff on there, cut things out, or paint things on, or do all three. Your world is your oyster. How are you gonna do that? Are you going to cut out, glue on, or paint on?
Yes.
Okay, there you have it, folks. I feel like I wanna like stitch this one up. I'm gonna get a needle and thread.
I'm carving a mouth at the moment, and it is looking okay. It's tough because it's like a small citrus creature, so like the details can only be admired up close, I feel like, but we'll get close-ups of all of these after. Here's my mouth. It's got like little chompers.
I think that's what I like about these is that it's very easy to cut through.
Yeah, I feel like with a pumpkin, like you're putting a little bit of muscle into it, but this
Yeah.
is like, especially with the Exacto knife, it just cuts like butter.
Con is that it's very fragile, so you can easily mess up your artwork.
Yeah. Pro is that it's very delicious, so if you do mess up your artwork, you can just go grab another one from the fridge. Well, it's not perfect, but we're not going for perfect. We're going for spooky. I need some googly eyes. Oh, I wish we got different sized googly eyes. That's pretty cool.
You're right. It gives it kind of like a...
Like a Frankenstein type of vibe, you know?
There we go. See,
Ouch. Hurt myself.
Oh.
It's okay, it's worth it. As an artiste, you gotta go through a little bit of suffering before you paint your magnum opus, you know?
But look it.
Oh, that's cute. It's got little heart eyes.
I love that. Excited. This is a cutesy one. This is not spooky.
Yeah, I was gonna say, yours doesn't look spooky. Yours looks cute. There's cute things on Halloween, too.
Like cute little babies dressed up as little Disney princesses or superheroes.
Yeah.
For like everyday things, like an eggie.
We went as like normal things as kids because my mom didn't want us to go as like something spooky.
Normal things?
Yeah, like we were pizza delivery people one year.
That's cute. My mom dressed me up as a witch for 3 years in a row, or like a lot of years.
A witch?
Yeah, because she would be like, wait, today's Halloween? So she'd get like a black curtain and do her little handy stitch work.
Yeah.
And like just put it around me like a little robe.
Adorable.
You're a witch again.
You're a witch. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, I mean, I was cool with it. I was like, yay, I have a costume.
Better than not having a costume, you know?
Uh-huh.
I think I messed it up. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna embrace it. It'll have this little stringy. It'll be fine.
You know, I love that about you. That like you might do a little boo-boo or something silly, and you're like, you know what? Let's just work with it. Why work against it?
It's a feature, not a bug. Well, thanks, my love. Over here buzzing like a bad habit. I'm a smack you.
Hey.
I'm a hit you.
Hey. You're the one who wants to do beekeeping, and you're the
You son of a bee. And it's freaking me out. Angela's the artsy-fartsy one. She inspires me to be crafty artsy-fartsy. I'm creative,
Yeah.
but I am not crafty. Angela is very creative in many different facets, but she's also creative in the crafty facet.
It tickles my pickle. I like doing it.
She hits like a flow state.
Ooh, I got a derpy eye. Look at what.
Look in all different directions.
Oh,
look at hers. She's got like the little side hat, the nose, the stitching. It's adorable. Eee, gave it like a little makeover. That's cute. Easy be easy. Personal space. I'm one with the bees. I'm one with the bees. I'm one with the bees. Stop it. You're all up in my grill, dude. No respect for personal space. There's 2 of them on my creatures.
It's okay.
There's 3 of them. They're dancing in my face. They're gonna lay eggs in its brain. So what's your vision with these citrus creatures?
My vision is to have them look cute and spooky out on our porch. So we live on the 2nd floor and our porch has a little bit of railing on the sides. I want to hang them so they're like little wobbly citrus fruit creatures ready to greet Halloween trick-or-treaters.
Surgically put it back together. I feel like I'm gonna have to do the same with this one.
It's okay, we create an idea and then we pivot if it doesn't go the way we want it. That's the beauty of crafting. You can do anything and have fun with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Look it!
It's like little Dracula hair. That's really cool. Oh, that looks awesome.
All right, we gotta pick up the pace. We only have 20 minutes.
Son of a gun. Okay, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. Can do this. Easy, watch.
Watch me whip.
Oi! Fly just laid eggs in my brain. That's so cool. Why are there so many flies now?
The garbage man picked up the garbage and displaced a bunch of homeless flies.
Oh no. Gentrification!
Nothing funny about that, but just personifying flies like that.
Now that's funny. It's so cute.
I'm gonna put like little blood dripping down its lippies.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm going for with this one.
Yeah, little blood.
Like it looks.
Oh, with the thingy.
Like it's crushed.
That's gonna look good.
It would be like glazed blood. I'm sure it'll be fine.
I'm so sorry. I love this. I want to do this every day of my life.
When we get onto the homestead, we'll definitely be more crafty.
Oh my god.
Gotta start from where you're at.
Start from the bottom, now with you.
That's so good. You better hush while my baby boy is sleeping.
Is that Bimo?
That's beautiful. Says that to Jake, and then he says it to the monster as he's trying to stomp on him.
You and I will always be back then. You better hush up while my baby boy is sleeping.
If there was someone outside.
You're so goofy.
Can you pass me the green paint?
What kind of green are you going for?
Barf. It doesn't look like barf, it looks more like a green goatee. Green goatee. I gave him a big unibrow too.
Oh, I love it.
Thanks.
It looks like a character from Cartoon Network.
Like Foster's Home from Imaginary Friends
I
or
think
something.
so.
Yeah, I could see that. You're beautiful, son. Look just like your father. I need some red. Oh, that's such a good idea with the cardboard.
I just cut it off of this box that I have in my paint kit.
That's so good.
You know what I'm doing?
Making a little BMO.
Yeah, like a little Bimo.
I had a feeling. Doesn't it?
Cursed.
What's wrong with
That's
it?
cursed. Aw, the only thing is if we hang these outside and I have this little piece of cardboard's gonna get all wet.
That's okay. The most fun part is making it, and then the memory. Wunderbar. Look at BMO!
Oh, we have the twine if you want to put the twine for their little headies.
We're gonna just super glue it onto the actual creature. You don't have to hang it either. It's just if you want it to hang, you can actually just like let these dry and put them on your front porch, windowsill, what have you. So if you want to stop it there, hey, it's done. We've got the citrus creature squad. However, we're gonna hang ours because Angela has a vision of wanting to hang it all around the homestead property and scare the bejesus out of little children. So we will hang them.
They shall hang!
Little Bimo-chan!
This is hilarious looking.
A little dab will do ya on the top. It'd be nice to do this as like a family tradition.
If you have like a small family or a big family and maybe you don't have so many funds to like buy every single child a pumpkin,
Yeah.
Cuties is the perfect way to do it.
And it's nutritious. You could have a snack with it.
Exactly.
Snack and crafts time.
It's very easy, very quick. You don't have to break the bank.
Important to note that these cutie skins will start to dry out over time, so they will start to become like shriveled and disformed. However, that's okay, because they're supposed to look kind of weird and creepy
Yeah.
and gross, so they end up looking cooler over time.
They get a more derpy look to them.
Yeah, they're like...
There you have it.
Thanks for joining us. We hope you had a fun time watching us create these citrus creatures, and we can't wait to see what you create. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch another video. Angela and I have done a bunch of cool and silly videos in the past, and we're just happy to have you here. We'll see you in the next video, but until then, keep growing.
Keep growing.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, my back, my legs. Baba, these creatures are awesome. Got big dreams, just doing random things with my best friend.